Hey, in today's video, I'm going to share to you how you can play COD Call of Duty Mobile on your laptop or PC. So first, go to google.com, then type BlueStack, then click this. So before that, you need to meet the minimum requirement of this BlueStack 5. So its minimum requirement is OS Microsoft Windows 7 and above, processor Intel or AMD processor, RAM at least 4 gig, and storage 5 gig. You must be an administrator on your PC, up-to-date graphics drivers from Microsoft or the chipset vendor. This is the recommended system requirements. So you need to meet that requirement first. Then when you have that requirement, or you have that minimum system requirement of your PC, then you need to download this. Click this. Then after click that, just run. You need to just wait for the installment, because I'm already installed the BlueStack 5 on my laptop. So this is what it looks like if you already download it and install it. So you just need to download and install it. Then after you install it, you should see the icon on your desktop. So here's the icon. Just double click it. Then just wait for the loading of that application. Then you will see Play Store here. All you need to do is to type the COD. Of course, you need to log in your Google account first. So just click this and install. So here I already installed this Call of Duty. So let's try to open this so you can see if this will work. Then log in with your Garena account or Facebook account or any account that you have. So now it's working. So that's it. This thing's now working, and I hope this helps. Stay active and God bless.